Hello, this is Miss Hay, and this is a transcript of a current sophomore student. We're going to go through it together, and I'm going to show you how to review your transcript prior to enrollment and or completing the ICAP. So the grade levels listed here. This student, freshman year, that's their schedule right here that they had. The grades they made first semester and second. They went to summer school, and so there's summer school, that's the SS. And they took driver's ed and then online health, and then here's the current classes that they're enrolled in. If you look over here, the credit summary is a list of all the classes and or credits you need to graduate. There are 26 required. This particular student has earned 8.5 credits towards graduation, and they're still needing 17.5. So these are classes and or credits that you need. So let's go over them. American history is a required class. This student, which most of our Belton kids do, take it their freshman year, and he's passed both semesters, so he's completed his full credit of American history. So he's done, and that'll list that there. Biology is a required science credit, and again, that's a class you have to pass. Most of our students will take that their sophomore year, and this student is indeed enrolled in it there. Electives, you need 9, but please don't worry about finding elective classes to enroll in. Those elective classes happen automatically as you take classes. If that particular class you're taking has already filled up a required credit, it automatically goes into electives. Here's an example. This student had marching band freshman year, and you can tell it's a fine art because it has FA in front of the marching band. You can also tell over here that fine arts is listed here, and it says he took band there, and he's currently enrolled in marching band and jazz band. Those are the asterisks. So he completed his fine arts credit, and we can tell that down here. He's done. The first year he took band. When he takes jazz band and band this year, that will automatically go towards electives. So do not worry about planning your electives. Fine arts, you'll have to find a class for that. There's lots of options. It could be anything in band or choir or art classes. Government is a class you'll have to have. That comes junior year. Health is a class you'll have to have. This young man, again, took it in summer school. Language arts, you need 4 of them. He's completed 1 as a freshman. He's enrolled, looks like, in another one over here, English. Math, you need 3. Oral communications, you need a semester. Personal finance, that's a particular class you have to take. That's only open to juniors and seniors. And then his PE, full credit, and he's done with that, it looks like. Practical arts, you need a semester. Science, you need 2. Social studies, you need 1. And that social studies is probably going to be this class over here, this world history class. So that's what's required for graduation. So if this is me, I'm looking at what I'm needed to graduate. So biology I need, and there I am, I'm enrolled in it. Again, electives I'm not worried about. Government, I know, comes my junior year. You can see that if you look at your ICAP. Language arts, I know I need 4 classes of those, 4 years, so I'll be enrolling in that every year. Math will happen automatically. Oral communications, I have to find a class for that. And if I go over here, this student has not completed it, and they're currently not enrolled in any oral comm because the letters would be OC. So I might make a note that I need to take an oral communications credit before I graduate. And I'll probably try to put that on a schedule as a junior. Personal finance, I'm not done yet because I can't take it. It's, again, a junior and senior level class. PE I'm done with. Practical arts, let's see if I'm enrolled in any. There it is. PA, practical arts is a nutrition and wellness class. There it is. Science, I'm in. Biology now. I took 1 as a freshman. Looks like I had physical science. So I just need 1 more my junior year. So I might write that down that I need that. Social studies, I'm in 1 now with the AP World History. And so I'm looking pretty good. What I need next year is I need to make sure that I get enrolled in my government class, my English class, my math class, and oral communications, And then I could choose to take personal finance next year, or I could wait to take it my senior year. I'm okay on practical arts, and then I need a science class. Everything else I need to put on my schedule would be either an RPE or it would be something that I just want to take. So that's a quick review of how to see a transcript, review it, and see what you need for graduation.